Hi everyone, good evening, good morning, good afternoon from whichever place you are watching. So, welcome to my kitchen, Simply Grace's Kitchen. Today we are making chicken manchurian. For that we need 300 grams of, I have 300 grams of chicken. So, I took and minced in the mixer jar. If you have the chopper or something, you can do it in that one. So, I mixed it in the mixer jar. And this has seeds like small pieces now, and we need ginger garlic paste 1.5 teaspoon, and Kashmiri chili powder half teaspoon, salt half teaspoon, half to quarter according to the taste, and pepper half teaspoon, 1 egg white for the binding, and soy sauce also red chili sauce. For the fry time we need ginger, whole ginger piece, half inch ginger piece, and garlic. Then we need 2 slit green chilies, spring onion, 1 medium sized onion, and coriander. 1 or 2 teaspoon of vinegar, 1 capsicum, and tomato sauce. Now let's do the marination. To the chicken minced, we add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Okay, if we need we can add later. We can add ginger garlic paste, I showed you the ginger garlic paste in one of my video, how I make and preserve in the freezer. You can watch that. Salt a little bit, I will see after mixing, because our soy sauce also has salt in it. And this Kashmiri chili powder for the color. Instead of color we are using the Kashmiri chili powder. We need pepper, a half teaspoon, and we need maida, 3 tablespoons. So 1 and 2 and 3 egg white. So I added 1 egg white. Now let's mix everything properly. Let it incorporate well, all the ingredients, and we'll keep it for marination for at least half an hour in the fridge. So let this marinate. Meantime, we'll cut the vegetables. Let's cut the capsicum. Friends, if you like my videos, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and watch my other recipes too on my channel. We have to cut capsicum into small cubes like this, how I'm cutting, and let's keep it aside. First, if we do all the preparation and keep it ready, it will be easy for us. And also, as you are watching, you can do along with me. Though I have sped up some parts of the video, still you can catch up with me and you can do. Once you do the preparation and keep it ready, it is super simple. So try to make along with me and comment me how did it turn out for you. Okay friends, do try this one. 1 capsicum, small capsicum. 2 tablespoons of garlic chopped, so that's why you can see more garlic pods on my cutting board. So use it generously because it enhances the taste of Manchurian. This is garlic chopped 2 tablespoons. I'll go with the ginger. So after cutting the ginger pieces, I have added into the same bowl of garlic. And here I am taking 1 green chili only. I am not taking 2 because it is too spicy. But if you like, you can take 2 and you can add. Next is onions. Chop them very thin slices. And next I am using the white part of the spring onions and take it and slice it very thinly, just like the onions. Now take the spring onions and cut it into small pieces and keep it aside. So the cutting part is over. Now we'll get on to the slurry part before cooking. Into a bowl, take 2 tablespoons of corn flour and pour 4 tablespoons of water and make it a slurry. Stir well. And into it add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now add 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce. Then add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. Add the remaining Kashmiri chili powder and next add 3 tablespoons of red chili sauce. And add the remaining pepper powder. Stir everything well and keep it ready. Now let's move on to the stove. Heat oil in a pan. Now make balls out of the marinated chicken which we kept it in refrigerator. One by one you can make a ball and slide it into the oil on medium flame and let it turn golden brown. Cook until it is golden brown on both sides while on low to medium flame. If we keep it on high flame, it tends to burn outside and turn into brown and black color, but inside it will be raw. So take time, and here you have to have the patience to cook slow, steady, and let it cook properly. Now the chicken balls are ready. I'm just dishing it out. I did it in 2 sets. This is the first set and the second set I had very few. So I'm dishing it out. Now in a pan take 2 tablespoons of oil and let's fry the onions and ginger garlic pieces until the onions are translucent and the ginger garlic leaves the raw smell. We have to fry. Here I am using only 1 green chili as it is too spicy. Also we have used red chili sauce 3 tablespoons in the slurry. So if you like you can add more. Once the onion and garlic ginger is ready, add the capsicum pieces. While stirring, let it cook for 1 minute as we do not want it to be mushy, but we need the crispiness of capsicum. Now let's add the slurry which we prepared and stir well on low flame. Now add 1 cup of water, or if you have chicken stock you can use that one as well. Here I am using the chicken stock and let it cook for a minute until we get this consistency like this. Then you can add the chicken balls which we fried and kept it aside. And add the pepper powder too. Here you can adjust the pepper according to your taste and the spiciness. And check for the salt. Finally, add the spring onions and stir well. Let it sit for 30 seconds and your chicken manchurian is ready. The cornstarch slurry is getting thicker and it is coming to the right consistency, and the garlic smell is standing out. Very nice flavor. Our chicken manchurian is ready now. It is in perfect consistency, that thickness. You can see the balls are very perfectly cooked from inside. Look at this, how beautiful the color also, because of the soya sauce and the red chili, Kashmiri chili powder. Here I am dishing it out. We can pair with the chicken fried rice. I had with jeera rice. It was very tasty. The chicken balls also are very tasty, and the gravy also. And a final garnish with little coriander and roasted sesame seeds. So why wait, friends? Do try this recipe and leave your comments under this video. Thank you for watching, friends. See you with another recipe. Until then, happy cooking.